Bring it this way. There you go. That's better, keeping it low. Oh, that was close. That's pretty cool, like really low like that. Oh, serious?
And then you realize the lawn isn't straight. It's like not flat.
Yeah, it's not.
Can't figure out oh, there's a wasp right there.
I know, I'm trying to figure out where his home is. Where is your home, wasp? You know, it has a camera. I don't know how to do that. I have to read the instructions. It's on the bottom of the drone. Oh.
The bottom?
Yeah, there's a camera looking down. No, of the drones. Not of the controller. Genius. You lost your drone flipper. It fell down, Bree. It's over here, by the fence.
We're going to your mom's in about a half an hour to 45 minutes.
For food?
No, just gonna work on the back.
Time to let Bree try it.
We need to figure out supper.
No.
There you go again, down the wind tunnel.